Did you know that you have the opportunity to earn money by watching YouTube videos? It's not just a possibility, but a reality. You can do it from anywhere in the world. And the best part is that it won't cost you a thing. Today, I'm thrilled to share not one, but two amazing methods to achieve this. And here's the best part, both methods are completely free and incredibly simple. So, in essence, today's tutorial is like a two-in-one session. You can choose one method or even try both to potentially increase your earnings. So, switch on your full screen mode and watch till the end. But, before we get started, make sure you've hit that subscribe button and turned on the notification bell, so you never miss out on our future videos packed with valuable tips and tricks. Now, let's delve into the fascinating world of making money online. The first step to watching YouTube videos is, of course, going to YouTube. That's pretty obvious, right? However, I wouldn't recommend watching just any kind of videos and finding yourself lost in a rabbit hole of entertaining cat videos. Instead, opt for educational topics or anything that can spark discussions, such as news, facts, mysteries, psychology, and more. It will all make more sense as we progress. Choose a topic that genuinely interests you, as this will make the process enjoyable. After all, you want to get paid for something you love, don't you? Once you find a video you like, click the share button, and from the pop-up window, click copy to copy the video link. Now, head over to an online video transcript tool. Here's the name of the website where you can find this tool. But don't worry, I'll provide a link in the description to save you the trouble of looking for it. On the online video transcript tool page, paste the copied link and click Transcript. In just a few seconds, you'll have the transcript. Another way to copy any video transcript is to copy the YouTube video transcript from the toggle stamp on YouTube. Follow these simple steps. First, locate the toggle stamp, which is usually located below the video player. It may appear as three dots, a more button, or a similar icon. Click on the toggle stamp to reveal additional options. Look for the transcript or open transcript option and click on it. A transcript of the video's dialogue will be displayed on the screen. Select and copy the transcript text by highlighting it and using the right-click menu or pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. After you've done, click the Copy Transcript button, and then you can use something like Google Docs, as it is easy to work with. Create a new document and paste the transcript. Try organizing and modifying the sections to make it look like an article. What you're going to do now is select the text and go to this website to access this tool. You can look for it if you want, or I will leave a link to this website in the description. This tool will help you create a new version of the original article. So, paste the text you copied earlier right here, then click Rewrite, and see how it gets rewritten in a couple of seconds. Also, you can use ChatGPT to rewrite your article. To make ChatGPT rewrite an article, you can follow these steps. First, provide the original article to ChatGPT as the input text. You can do this by copying and pasting the article into the chat interface or by providing it as a prompt. After you finish, click Copy. But before we move on, let me share another website that can do the same. It is phrase.io, and to use it, paste the text here. What I particularly like about this tool is that you can set the tone of the article if you want. You can choose any tool, all work perfectly. I'm just giving you more options to choose from. So, after you've rewritten the entire article and arranged everything, keep it stored on Google Docs, because now I'm going to show you how you can start making passive income of up to thousands of dollars per month by simply posting this article once. Now, head over to Vocal Media. This website will pay you whenever someone reads your article. To be more precise, let me show you exactly how much this website will pay you. I'll click right here and scroll down to show you. As you can see, it pays you $3.80 per 1,000 reads. That means the article we just created could earn up to $38 for every 10,000 readers, depending on how quickly you get that number of readers. You have a choice: go for quality or quantity. For instance, if you dedicate around 1 hour per day and publish just one article daily, you have the potential to earn $38 multiplied by 30, which equals $1,140 per month. And you've just seen how easy and fast it is to create these articles. So, if you manage to publish 3 articles, we're talking about a potential $3,420 per month. Now, here's a hidden trick to double up your earnings. Consider joining Vocal Plus for around $10 per month. By doing so, instead of being paid $3.80, you'll earn $6 per 1,000 reads. That transforms the potential monthly earnings from $3,420 to an impressive $5,400. Some people wonder why certain methods don't work for them. Well, the reasons behind this can vary. It could be due to their delayed entry into the endeavor, the necessity for methodological updates, or heightened competition in the field. Moreover, premature abandonment is a common tendency among many. Therefore, even when encountering a video with substantial view counts, it is important to remember that not everyone translates those views into action. And numerous individuals relinquish their efforts prematurely, as previously mentioned. As a result, it is imperative to reserve judgment until you have personally given it a sincere try. Anyway, let's get back on track and wrap up our discussion. In order to publish the article on this website, you will need to register an account. Simply click on the Join button and provide basic information such as your email and password, then click Sign Up. An activation link will be sent to your email. After activating your account, click on the Create Story button located in the top right corner. A pop-up window will appear. Make sure to read the submission guidelines and check the corresponding box. Click Start Creating to proceed. This is where you can enter the title and subtitle of your article. To enhance its appeal and professionalism, you can add images. Click on the designated area and search for relevant images related to the topic. If you can't find a suitable image, you can visit royalty-free image websites like Pexels or Pixabay, where you can find images that can be used in your article without any copyright issues. Once you've found an image you like, download it to your device and then return to Vocal Media. Click on the Upload Image button and select the file to upload the image. Vocal Media also includes the Unsplash website library, similar to Pexels, where you can find more suitable images. In the provided space, you can paste your article. After completing your article, click the Save Changes button to submit it. Don't worry if you need to make any edits in the future, simply click on the content you want to edit, make the necessary changes, and then click Save Changes again. When you're ready, you can submit the article. Another website that offers payment for articles is TextBroker, which can pay up to $100 or more per article. It is user-friendly and easy to navigate. Hover over the I Write Content option to see how it works. Additionally, TextBroker provides an earnings calculation tool, which shows the prices based on the quality and length of the article. You can prioritize either quantity or quality based on your preferences. To join for free, click the corresponding button and choose the author option. While this method may differ from simply watching YouTube videos and making money, it demonstrates how easy it is to convert video content into a profitable article. There are indeed ways to earn money by watching videos, and if you're interested, let me know in the comments section for future videos. However, with the method described, you can potentially earn a substantial amount of money, as shown. I will keep you updated on the progress, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Best of luck all. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these methods helpful and that they open up new opportunities for you to earn money while enjoying YouTube videos. I'll see you in the next one.